Let's draw a firework rocket real easy. Let's start off with, let's start off with the actual rocket bit itself. And this is going to be, we're drawing like a parallelogram, that's it. And go a little bit to each side like that. And this is going to be the nose cone. And so we're going to want to come to a point in the middle. So, I didn't mean to do that, but never mind. We'll see if we can cover that up later. Mistakes are quite often good. You can do interesting things with mistakes. So that's the nose cone. And this is the body of it. And then we want to continue with the stick coming down here like that. And then that will sort of come up there, and it's usually kind of bound onto the side with sort of paper and things like that, isn't it? So the actual design will be coming all the way around it. And let's have a kind of a spiral design, and we can do something like this. This will just make it look a bit more fun. So they're just curves, quite simple, and you could maybe put little sparkles inside there as well. So these are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So they're very, very simple little stars like that. And we'll be using them later as well. And then we're going to have an exhaust bit coming out there like that. And then we're going to have, we're going to have all this whoosh coming out at the back. I'm going to turn this upside down now. And I'm going to have that coming out a little bit more sideways as well, coming out at an angle. And I'm just going to add a bit more in there. So, you know, if you've watched me before, we talk about hatching. So I'm kind of almost cross-hatching here by adding more to make it look dark there. Although that will really be the light bit, won't it? And then we're going to do lots of these sparkles. Okay? So, and some will be coming out over here, and some will be bigger, and some will be smaller. And you can do as many as you like. Actually, you could go straight to using coloured pens, pencils, paintbrushes, anything to get lots of fantastic different colours going here. And maybe when I come to colour at the end, I'll do some bit of magic in Photoshop and stuff like that. Now, you're going to have some hiding behind that stick there, so you can kind of do that. So I'm doing this week because here in the UK, it's going to be bonfire night, which is the 5th of November, which is Guy Fawkes night. Guy Fawkes was this naughty, naughty man who tried to blow up the king. And we can have a few more whooshes. So this is way, way back in time. But Guy Fawkes he wanted to blow up the king, and he got gunpowder and he stuck it under the Houses of Parliament, and he was going to blow the king up, and they discovered him just in time. And so every year on the 5th of November in the UK, people go to the local park or whatever and have great big bonfire nights and bonfires and fireworks and baked potatoes, toffee apples, candy apples maybe to you, caramel apples. And so anyway, let's do some bit of shading in here. So here I'm going to do this bit of shading like this, and I just kind of incorporated that little mistake in there. And then on this side we'll do the same. So these are getting a little bit shorter and shorter and shorter into dots at the end there. And we can give a bit of shape to this by these little bits of shading. So this is very, very simple shading, just down the side like that. And then we can also, by doing that shorter and shorter, and then long, long, short, 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 give a bit of curve on the cylinder of the rocket itself there. And again, we can kind of do that little curve of shadow and a bit of shadow in there. Oh, we can put some extra whoosh marks in there like that to get it shooting off into the sky. Maybe some there as well. Can you put in too many whoosh marks? I don't know. And then all you really need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing so that you can come back and draw more stuff real easy. See you next time. Bye.